This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter element renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the passenger's footwell. Lift the bonnet slightly. Pull the safety catch forwards. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet prop from its clip. Engage the bonnet prop to support the bonnet. To access the filter, undo the 4 bolts securing the cover to the air cleaner housing. Note that the bolts are captive in the cover. Lift the cover and remove the filter element. Clean the filter housing and cover, removing any dirt or debris. A vacuum cleaner is also ideal for this. Maneuver the new filter element into position, ensuring the open end locates over the air intake tube and the lug at the other end engages correctly with the housing. Refit the air filter housing cover and tighten the retaining screws securely. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet.